Wow, that's a big one. Another big one. Oh, what's another one? I made a stack.
Do you want to chuck rocks in there?
Yeah, some rocks.
Nice as well.
Shall I just like...
Yeah, do whatever you want. Drop the bucket in, whatever.
Oh, is that a bit of...
I'm struggling there.
I've still got some. Just trying to distribute them in a meaningful way, really. Yeah, it's looking a little sparse at the moment. Oh, we'll hopefully fill some of these gaps in there. It's definitely one of the more random things we've done so far. A few little loose bits there.
The rockery.
The rockery is complete.
Almost feels like it needs something in the middle of it, like a plant or something. Doesn't it? It's missing something. It's like an
needs an ornament in there. Should we put a solar light in the middle of it?
Could
Yeah, it does feel like it needs something in there, doesn't it?
If you clip that out, because that's not doing anything anymore, and that can try and...
Oh! Oops.
That doesn't work, but...
No, that actually does look better now.
Supposed to drive it in there now somehow.
Oh, I actually think that looks alright now. Sort of adds a decorative element. Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think once we've swept all the bits down here up.
I'll sweep on this.
Yeah.
Everyone needs a rockery.
Just what we needed. Mission complete. So, you might be wondering, where did the roof go on our outdoor area? Well, it's a bit of a story. So, we were just going about our normal lives back home, and we had a message from one of our neighbours, and he's like sent a photo of just like the roof of our outdoor area just like on the floor. One of the concrete pillars had just completely toppled over, and this was like in a time when there was a lot of storms going on. So I was at work, and then Jez sent the photo to me and was like, oh, look what our neighbour just sent. And I was like, oh god, that's not good at all, because the thing is, like, out here we're so remote that it can be quite difficult to get new building materials here. Like everything so far that we've done, we've had to carry the materials by ourselves, which we don't mind doing. Like, it's good exercise and it's a good challenge, but we already have quite a lot of materials that we need to bring over anyway for the upstairs, so this was just like another thing to add to our list. Yeah, so we came back a few weeks later and cleared up the mess. So there was just like part of the roof on the floor. It smashed through some of the roof in the bathroom, luckily not the main part of the bathroom, but just where the roof overhangs, that had all been smashed up, so we had to clear that up and seal it all in. The concrete pillar that had just like fallen over, it had ripped up the concrete in the patio as well, so what we had to do was like use an angle grinder to cut out this concrete pillar, because it was attached with rebar underneath, and try and force it out. And we eventually did cut through it and pull the concrete pillar out, got rid of that. So now we've got one less concrete pillar than we did before. Then we just sort of cleared up all of the wood that had come from the roof, the tarp. We just put it in a big pile in the garden, sort of thinking about what to do next, really. And it put a big pause on the work we were doing on the house, because we do rely on the outdoor sort of roof area, the lean-to, just for a bit of shelter from the wind and the rain. And yeah, it just made it quite difficult to do things like cut wood outside when it's raining. It's sort of put a bit of a dampener on things. In the meantime, we've got like a sail that we've been using like carabiners to clip up to the remaining pillars, and that sort of creates some shade from the sun and the rain. But we haven't put it up this time because it's been quite windy and it does sort of like flap about quite a lot. Yeah, we're just sort of thinking about what to do next about it really, because it's a bit of a problem because we can't just like rebuild it, because we'd have to bring a load of hard wood in, and it wasn't very stable anyway, so we're sort of thinking about what to do about it. But yeah, we didn't really make much videos around that time because it was just a bit of a, I don't know, we were both a bit frustrated really, and we didn't really want to be rebuilding and breaking things down like that. We wanted to be working on the inside of the house and making it nice, so we had to put a bit of a stop to all of our plans. But yeah, we're sort of using the sail for now as a bit of a shelter, but we'll see where we go from here. But we did have a really nice summer here. We spent a week or so here, mostly just doing a bit of gardening and relaxing. We didn't really film much over that time because we were just trying to have a bit of a break, but it's not like we've not had any time to relax and enjoy it here either, so we've just sort of put the brakes on a little bit. And yeah, not really filmed much, but we're hoping to do more of that moving forward, now that we've got a bit more sort of mental energy to put into doing that, because I think we're both just a bit worn out from things constantly breaking. Yeah, we're just going to keep moving forward. Even if it takes a long time, we'll still get there in the end. So yeah, everything's okay, and we're just taking our time really. So anyway, let's get back to it.
Sand.
It's quite wet.
We're missing a little bit,
We're missing a bit.
That's okay, it's not bad.
Oh, it almost made its way in, but not quite.
You wouldn't really know that there was a massive gaping hole there, like the other day.
You got the video of it with it, there's a massive hole there.
Yeah, yeah.
I can fill in that extra bits with a bit more cement.
Yeah.
I'll make a thicker cement and just chuck it in there.
Mhm.
Surprised it lasted that long. I mean, it's all rotten and messed up.
So this is what was holding up the canopy. Look at it. Ugh, it's all rotten. So when we were just walking around the garden, we realised there was quite a few aloe vera plants just at the end, but not really where you could appreciate them or see them properly. So we had this random idea just to try and take part of one of the plants, or maybe a few of the plants, and replant it somewhere in the garden where we could actually see it properly. So this is what we're doing here. It was a bit of a random idea, like I don't really know where it came from, but it actually turned out really well in the end. The plants are still healthy at the moment, which is great to see.
Oh, it's a for that.
I know, there's loads of bottles down there. Oh! Oh my god!
It's like a weird alien.
Oh, it's scaring me a little bit. Oh, oh perfect. That's good.
Try that as well.
Sharp, isn't it? Yeah, I could put one in down there.
Yeah, maybe next to the lemongrass or something.
Yeah.
Wherever you reckon. Yeah, anywhere around there, wherever you reckon. That's up to you.
Alright.
Let's go with that for now. Shit, yeah, it's not winding back.
Oh really? Oh no. Oh god. What's going on already? 99 for M&M's.
Oh my god. Probably £6 there if you get 2 chocolate bars.